Welcome to this quick 2025 guide on how to share your Amazon cart with someone. Whether you're planning a gift list, collaborating on a group purchase, or simply want a friend to review your items, Amazon now makes cart sharing easier than ever. In this tutorial, you'll learn the updated steps to generate and send your cart link safely and efficiently. First is log in to your Amazon account. Now find an item you want to go with your list and add them. After adding them to your list, go to your account and list and click Shopping List. In here, click the Invite button. Now you can share your card to your friend. And that's all. Now you know how to share your Amazon cart with anyone in just a few taps. Whether you're comparing prices, asking for opinions, or coordinating a shared purchase, this feature keeps everything simple and organized. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more 2025 tutorials to make your Amazon shopping experience even smoother.